Okay, so finally I got the new replacement for my 2005 Nissan Frontier. I ordered it from a1auto.com, which is like 387, something like that, a pair. So basically this one, that's the new part, and this is the new part. This is the old parts. And I tried to get them from AutoZone, O'Reilly, Napa, but they're way too expensive, like $600. And from a factory, it was like from Nissan, it was like. So this is the two parts, the new parts, and it comes with a washer and a screws, right? Comes washer and a screw for each one. And that's the two old ones, that's the new ones. Alright, let's put it back in there, alright? Also, to remove the one on top, as you can see, that's one of the bolts, right there. I had to remove this piece right here, right, which I'm not gonna be able to put it back on because the screw is just broken, so I'm probably just gonna leave it like that, or I'll figure something else later. Alright, okay, so let's put it back in there. See how is that thing's broke? I'm sorry, like that. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so anyways, I'm probably need to replace those things later. I don't know. Alright, so I'm gonna start working on my. This is the top, you know, the cover. So let me figure out something. Alright, stay with me. This for the threaded, you know. Okay, and that's it. What else? Oh, by the way, this part right here, this is the seal, so it goes, I guess it goes right here, because the other one, it was right here, you know, the old one, so it goes right here. Okay, so this guy goes here, I believe, right? And then let me see. Crazy. Right there. Alright. So I think that's it. Not sure. And here, you just hook right here, okay? Here is already the seal, so we leave the silver one goes on top. Alright guys, so I'm gonna have to screw it and then I'm gonna have to cut the seam because I need both hands, right? That's the way it goes. Okay, the points goes right here, right? Okay, so the bolt is 22 pounds, alright? 22 pounds. Right there. It should be tied at 22 pounds. £22. And the one on the bottom is at 22 pounds. You wanna hear the 22 pounds, alright? Okay, the one on top, the third one is gonna be 22 pounds as well. Torque. There you go. Now, this weight 22 pounds on these three of them, alright? And the gasket's already in here, so it should be good. Now we're gonna do this two at 22 pounds as well, right? Okay, so 22. Okay. Right. Makes sense. There you go. That's the O2 sensor. And then you just plug it in, back in here. There you go. Alright, sounds good. Okay, now we're gonna start with the little one, or the large one, the driver's side, big one. Okay, so I already installed the catalytic converter already, and everything's good to go. Okay, so we got 115 and after driving back to I'm gonna go back to the stop at the gas station and check see what's the status.